Okay, so I just want to say that overall I am very happy with the, I don't know, cup holder expander. It works great, fits my Yeti that doesn't fit in anything else, and just kind of flops around here. But this definitely could be improved on. One gripe I have is when you put it in and you start to spin it, it's very hard to get it to stop, lock in the right place. So you have to kind of undo it and redo it over and over until you find the right spot where it's easy for you, comfortable to grab your mug out. But again, that's a small thing, not a super big deal. It's not a deal breaker for sure. What I do love about it is that it does fit different size cups, so or mugs. So this is this is pretty much the standard size of a coffee mug. So this fits in here easy with room to spare around there, but with the rubber flaps, it doesn't go anywhere. It just sits in there real well. Very happy with that. Now, this still isn't locked in tight. So the other thing would be my Yeti. I think this is the 14 ounce, and it is, 14 ounce, and it's the real wide one. So this just fits in here real well. And I am able to take this Yeti with me again, which I really like. The other thing that I wish were a little better is pulling out can be difficult with the rubber lips there, whatever, rubber teeth. When you slide it in, it slides in easy enough, but when you pull it out, it kind of suctions it in there, and then as you get to the top, it kind of comes out with a jolt. So you just have to be careful about spilling your coffee. Other than that, I think it's great, and I would highly recommend it. It seems sturdy. It seems built well enough for my uses. Again, if they change just a few little things, I think it would be perfect. Oh, and one other feature that I didn't take advantage of because of the way my truck is built, there is the screw in there, and you can unscrew that, and you can turn the cup holder so it's off to the side if you wanted it to be off to the side, to give room or whatever. For whatever reason, if you wanted it off to the side. I couldn't move it off to the side because there's no room for me. But yeah,